Spread of Islam in the Arabian Gulf and Qatar. What is Islam? It is a religion founded in the early 7th century by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Followers of Islam believe in one God called Allah. The primary religious book of Islam is the Quran. Let's talk about the timeline of early Islam during the time of the Prophet. In the year 570 Hijri, Prophet Muhammad is born in the city of Mecca. 610 Hijri, the religion of Islam begins when Prophet Muhammad receives the first revelations of the Quran. In 622 Hijri, he and his followers moved to Medina to escape persecution in Mecca. This migration becomes known as the Hijrah and marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. In 630 Hijri, Prophet Muhammad returns to Mecca and gains control of the city. Mecca becomes the center of the Islamic world. Now let's go to timeline of early Islam during the time of the righteous Caliphs. In 632 Hijri, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, dies and Abu Bakr succeeds him as leader of the Islam faith. He is the first of the four rightly guided caliphs. This also marks the beginning of the Rashidun Caliphate. In 634 Hijri, Umar becomes the second caliph. So the Islamic Empire expands during his rule to include much of the Middle East, including Iraq, Egypt, Syria, and parts of North Africa. Let's continue with the timeline of early Islam during the time of the righteous caliphs. In the year 644 Hijri, Uthman becomes the third caliph, while in year 656, Ali bin Talib becomes the fourth caliph. Now, during the time of the Umayyad and Abbasid, the Umayyad Caliphate takes control during 661 to 750 Hijri. They move the capital city to Damascus. In 750 to 1258 Hijri, the Abbasid Caliphate takes control and builds a new capital city called Baghdad. The Islamic Empire experiences a period of scientific and artistic achievement that will later be called the Golden Age of Islam. So how did Islam reach Qatar? Prophet Muhammad sent his first military envoy, Al-Ala'a ibn al-Hadrami, to Munzir ibn Sawa, the ruler of the Arabian Gulf region, which extended from the coast of Kuwait to the south of Qatar, inviting him to accept Islam as he had invited other kingdoms and empires. You can learn more about the timeline of early Islam and Islam in Qatar by checking out our references in this video.